how to fix the error code cannot download data file corrupted. All you need to do is go to your internet page. Let me show you. Go to your Ethernet page, on your root or your modem. All you need to do is go to status and support. Status, see that there? Status and support. Okay, yeah, I need to log in again. Okay, let me log in. Okay, all you need to do is go to support, status and support, and then come over here to where it says restart. Restart, it says, and then click on restart. So this will restart your modem. So this is the fix, and this will definitely fix your problem. So if you don't know how to get to this page, let me show you how to get to this page. So all you need to do is go to the back of your modem. Here is my modem. Go to the back and I don't know why I can focus on this. Go to the back. You should see you should see account. You should see account. You should see how to go to that page. All you need to do is there is an HTTP link on the back of your modem, and you should see all the details to log in to the account. You should see your account and your password. So there is a link. There is an HTTP link to the page on the back of your modem, and you can find your account name and your account password. So all you just need to do is go there, log in, go to support, go to status and support. Status and support, then restart, and everything should go on well. I bet everything will go on well.